Morning. Good morning. I already got in a trade and got out, and I am flat for the New York 9:30 session. It could go either way. It could either go up and meet the 6 p.m. right there and then come back down, or it may just go down. So we just gotta wait and see. Let's see if it's gonna go down or not. I'm in 10 minutes. So it did touch the 30 minutes, and it looks like the green.
Order filled. Order filled.
Ah, I forgot. I'm gonna see what happens. touched. The 50 EMA is going down. So the thing is it going to break the hull? That's the question to ask.
Order filled. Order filled.
That's not a good thing. Why did I do a stop loss? That is not a nice thing to do. I did not. I had someone at the door, so I left and I did not leave the stop loss. And I am down by all my profit is gone. So I had over $1,000 in profit and it is just gone. So I'm negative $53. It's not helping my risk management. That is awful. I'm not getting this. So it is going up to meet the 4 EMA on the 4-hour chart. So it's got a long ways to go. 2 minutes. That's to the highs. There, right there. So 4 hours. That's right there. Did I buy this? No. I think it's. So he said, well, we can, and he tried to remove it. He couldn't remove it. And then he said, well, maybe we can send it to the warehouse for them to repair it. And he saw the other part of the couch that was also tearing. He was like, well, we can send it to the warehouse and get it repaired. Take the whole couch to the warehouse. I said, how long it's going to take for them to return it back? He said, about 2 weeks. I said, I can go without a couch for 2 weeks. I said, so anyway, that's what he said. He didn't say anything about replacement or anything else.
Okay, well, I'll call her.
Yeah, I was like, we homeschool our kids and we have people all the time, and we're a family of 6. As it is, we don't have enough room to sit in the living room. So when we have company and stuff, like, it's not going to work out. I said, can you give us a loaner while the 2 weeks is gone? She was like, no, we don't have loaners. It becomes a used couch. I was like, well, I said, well, I don't think I can go 2 weeks without a couch in the living room. So anyway.
Okay.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
So I am just sitting here watching and letting this trade work for me. I'm not doing anything else. So I do have two accounts. Actually, I'm trading on four different accounts with four different prop firms, which is very, very bad idea. I would not do that. But um, anyways, the last night session, it was awful. It was terrible. I made blunder after blunder. So for Asia session, and it was on the hindsight, it looks like I could have traded better, but um, but it was just awful. I did not do a good job of trading at all. So if I could do here at 18 minute, Okay, let me go back to 15 minutes here and draw the. Okay, so this is where the Asia session started, right? That's where it started. I'm going to draw a box here so I know. Okay. Excuse me. What in the world? Okay, that's the first 15-minute candle. Why is it not doing it? Okay, so that's the first 15-minute candle. So let me go to 18 minutes. Excuse me. Alright, so let's go to 30 minutes. So the constant thing is here that 34 and 50 has crossed until it crosses back again. It is bearish. That is the first indicator. And the second indicator is over here. Here. So it is, my two indicators have crossed on the 10-minute, which is my favorite time frame. Okay, and then it did this, and then it did this again. So I lost a lot of money in the zigzag. Here, the zigzag here. So I was going in and I was going out, I was going in, I was going out, I was going in, I was going out, and I lost a whole lot of money right here. I mean, it was awful. This is all it was doing for a whole. So I did make money here, okay, and I did get out, and then I got back in to go down, and then I got confused because right here, if you see the 34 and 50 EMA is like it's crossing and then it's crossing back. It's just like it couldn't make up its mind. So instead of just staying put, I just kept going in and out. So I just lost all the profit that I made just here. It's gone out the drain. So then I should have just gotten in this trade here and just let it sit and not do anything. So that's what I did with one. If you see my Asia session, I just let it run. I think I went to bed around 3 in the morning after my work and stuff, and I just let it run. So this morning when I got up on this account, I had, this is just my test account, I had bear with me one moment. I'm trying to see what's going on. Maybe I need to do stop loss, right? That probably would be a good idea. Why would I want to lose? That's my thing. I always forget to do stop loss, and then I lose out. Yeah, baby?
What's over there?
I'm doing a live stream. Oh, my hair up here. Is it better? I want a hug. You sleep good? Okay.
You just keep on trying to, like, lay on me. She's like, trying to pop her hip. She's like,
Okay. Anyway, so where was I? Oh, my kids are just waking up. So summertime is a good time for them. Okay. See that here. I probably need to keep my stop losses tighter. Just to be on the safe side. Bear with me. Oh, no way. Are you kidding me? Yikes. That's terrible. I just put a stop loss and it just stopped me out. That is, oh my goodness gracious. Seriously. That is awful. Yikes, that's not good. Come on, people. flat it out and then come back. Let me do the 1 minute. What is going on? What is this color? I don't like this color. Bear with me 1 moment. So that 50 EMA, it's not gonna go. But the 5 minute, it didn't cross. See that? Okay, I should have taken my profits there, which I didn't, which is not a good thing. I'm trying to see if I can find an entry to get back in. So I need to either enter in here or in here. So So it's trying to form a cup, it looks like. Look at that, it's really forming a cup. So I just gotta wait patiently. So let me, I don't know. I'm in 10 minutes, right? I'm gonna do a buy, and I'm gonna do a buy here. Stop loss. Oh, that's a lot. That's a big stop loss there. Hopefully it won't get in there, but I should have done that. But I didn't. So I am thinking this is going to hopefully come up here to meet the Asia market session. That is what I'm thinking, but yeah, it's not going to work that way. You see, that's all we did. That's the only movement that we've had. Isn't that crazy? Since 6 p.m. yesterday, that is all we've had. So enter short. So this, if it crosses, it'll give a trade. Trend change will confirm on the 18 minutes, which would be nice. So we'll see. Okay, so I was talking about Asia. So I should have just left it there. Look how beautiful it is. Like, you get in here, like right here, and just go to bed. And that's what I did. I think I got in somewhere here and I just left it. And I got up in the morning and I got it out. So I'm just gonna leave this here and see what happens. I like the 10-minute, I like the 5 minutes, and I like the 2 minutes, but I like the 10 minutes the best. So it needs to break this 50 EMA and go above. So is it going to do that or not? I do not know, but I'm going to wait and see. So I should have just had a bigger stop loss than what I had, and I got stopped out, which was really not nice. But I wonder, I've never done this before, but 9:30 candle. That'll be interesting to see how that works out, right? 9:30. That's the big candle. Yikes. Okay, that would be a good study to see. So it has to actually, either it's forming a H and going down, or it is going to go up. I'm thinking it's going to go up. Good. That's like a 898. crazy. Oh, it is forming the H shape. It's not going through. Yeah.
Order filled.
Okay. 10 minutes. Always get in. If it is crossed, look at that. Down, down. That's not a good trade. I was getting in because it's showing the trend change trending. Trend changing right there initial, so I got in. That is a 30-minute candle. So if you look at 30 minutes, you're still in there, just going in between. So I believe it's going to be a reversal. It is just not happening right now. I think so. That is what's happening. So if I look at 30 minutes, so we'll see. You see, it's trying to change, but unless one of the things crosses, but none of them 34 50 EMA, 34 and 50 EMA not even crossing to the upside. That's a problem. So until then, it's going to be in a range. So if you want to scalp, you can, I don't know, I'm not good in scalping. That's the big issue. So that was hard. I almost wanted to get out of the trade for loss, but I'm glad I didn't. So I'm going to do the stop loss. I wish it'll come down here. That'll be nice. But I don't like it. Okay, I'm not sure why I shouldn't be taking 10 contracts. That is very bad. This is my 30 minutes. Let me go to 5 minutes. Go to 3 minutes. Maybe, I don't know. So my goal would be to let this come down all the way. I want this black indicator to kind of come down and cup. If you look at 15 minutes, it might just break through it and blow it out. Who knows? We'll see. Why didn't I do this? Oh, good. I am in trade here. I thought I got out. I still have not mastered my entries. Like, I should have my entries like here instead of here. So limit orders. I am moving my stop loss because I don't want to give up my profit. Let me do to 1 minute. That would be much easier. I think it might come up and touch here. We'll see. I don't know. Got 10 minutes is coming up. Oh, I think I stopped out there. Okay. I'm gonna get stopped out here. Hopefully not. But I want the profit to be right there. That's why I want to take the profit. Mm, Not bad though. I mean, I can take the profit and call it a day, but I overtraded a lot. I made so much mistakes. Um, yeah, being unsure. And you need to take the profit. My entry is still not good because I just blew up one of my Apex accounts because my entry, I didn't take the profit, even though it was in the right thing, it was going up to meet the 4 EMA. So if there's a big gap between the 4 EMA, just get out of the trade and wait. That's what I did here. But on the other account, I completely forgot to do that. So when it went up, I was positive 1400 and it went negative like so fast. So I'm still not there yet. So probably don't be doing this because it's not that great. Like I am blowing up. Uh, yeah, but I'm just like after this week, I probably will trade only one account at a time. I won't be trading 5 accounts five accounts at the same time. Excuse me. In different accounts. It's not just one account where you can just copy trade. It is different accounts, and that's what is like. This one is different account, and this one is different account, and this one is different account, and then I have 2 other screens. So that is not good at all. So see here the gap. So I was on the 15 minute, and there was a huge gap, and I should have just gotten out. Like this is what happened. 5 minutes. So there was a huge gap. It came down here. It was a huge gap, and it went up all the way to fill in here. I lost it from here to here as well. It hit right here, and it just liquidated my account. That was terrible. So you see how the 4 EMA keeps moving to meet the candle? That is awesome. That is great, actually. So I just wanted to hit like right here. That'll be nice if it could just hit touchdown here. But like after 10 a.m. is a good time. Don't try to trade 9:30 open because it is not good. So just wait 9:45 until everything settles, and then you can try to get in after 9:40, 9:45, and then it's like the trades that I've taken after 9:45, 10 o'clock all have been a success because my mind is, I don't know, I'm think clearly, I guess. So for Asia trade, I need to get in trades after 8 or after 9 p.m. And for New York session, I need to get out. I need to get out. Come on. Seriously, let me see 1 minute what's happening. Uh, see, it's filling up the gap. You can't fill up the gap like that. What's happening? 15 minutes. That's what's happening. Whoa, there's a big gap there in 15 minutes. Look at that. I might as well get out and just wait. Okay. The reason I got out is the 15 minutes. You see that? I blew up one of my accounts with that. 15 minutes, 4 EMAs right here. And I did not want to get in. I don't want that much gap. So on the 1 minute, I will wait until this, my first indicator, starts curving, and then I will get in because right now it is curving up. So I don't want that. I would like to get in, but 50, 51, 51. That's what I have here, right? Yeah, this one is 50, so I'll leave it as is. 51, 52. No, I'm not doing that. 53. Maybe I can trade this. I don't know. What about 52? No, I'm not trading that. I'm going to let go. 53 is a good account. I don't know. So this one is 50. Okay. It is right here. So let me see. Okay, I think I might. Okay, take that. So 15 minutes, that's where it touched. So 15 minutes, look at that, it touched the 4 EMA, so it got in. And I would like for it to come down here. It's kind of like forming an H. So that's what I'm looking for. So in this one, I am going to reduce my risk here. So okay, in 5 minutes, look at that, it's consolidating. I don't know. Okay, I like this shot better because it's a lot clean. I'm going to remove this. There we go. Okay, in 5 minutes, look at that. So I don't know if it's okay. 45 minutes. I feel like I need to get out of short positions. probably should trend change. Oh no. I was hoping it'll come down here, but it's not. I think I'm gonna get out. It's like I'm losing. I had like $2,000 in profit and I don't want to lose it. That's fine. I feel like it's about to change. The trend's about to change, so I just got a feeling
Order filled.
it's about time for it to change.
Order filled.
Go to 2 minutes. I'm gonna try this, okay? Let me see. I'm gonna go to 2 minutes and I'm gonna just buy. Okay, and see what happens. Only because like it's trying to do that, so I'm gonna do the same thing here. $18 minutes. Just buy. And my stop loss will be right there. So let me see how much money I'm gonna lose. Stop loss, so 390. 390 times 5. 390 ticks. So that is a stop loss of almost $2,000. I'm gonna do this here. I just have a feeling that it looks like everything is setting up. I'm looking at the 45 minutes. I have the initial indicator that is saying that it is trying to change. It is trying to change the direction of the market. That's 45 minutes. I go to 1 hour and it is right there. It's like at the initial stages of changing the market. Okay, so it doesn't mean it may come down here again, but that is a huge, look at that. That's like a $4,000 stop loss. So that's why I tell to take trades in a smaller time frame, because you don't have this much loss. And so we'll see. And 18 minutes, it's changing, and it is all like trying to form a cup. Like it's like trying to go. Like it tried so many times. It tried here, it failed. It tried here, it failed. So it's trying again. Okay, and then 10 minutes. Well, 10 minutes is going. It's like it's done doing whatever it's doing. It's trying to go down, but I just have a feeling that it is going to go up. So Oh crap, that's not a good thing. That was not a good thing. I'm still going to stay in the trade. I'm not going to get out because I'm just going to keep getting losses. I'm just going to stay in the trade because my conviction is the market is trying to change the direction. So I'm going to stick with it and wait. I should have reduced my risk, which I did not do. Okay, 30 minutes. Let me see. Okay. Let me go here. I am not changing. My stop loss is right there. We'll be right back. So I do have stop loss here. No, I am willing to risk that much. But I could have limited. Hey, baby, go away. Thank God. See, Daddy was going on saying that Liam said he'd come back on Tuesday evening. He said, I don't think he said that. That person said,
I was thinking about it, but I was just too.
I wasn't. So, I know my risk was terrible here, but I do like it, my indicators like tell very early on that the market is going to change. And sometimes it takes 40 minutes, sometimes it takes 2 hours, sometimes it's immediate. But I'm looking at 30 minutes, it's setting up to change. I'm looking at 45 minutes, it is setting beginning of the change, right? So it'll be nice if this black like nicely curves. Let me see if I can find an example. Let me go to this one, this chart. I have different settings here. So this one, look at here. So if it curves like this, like it goes up, but you got to be caution. Like, it's market changing, but I'll be very cautious when it gets closer to 50 EMA, 34 EMA. I'm like, okay, time to bring the stop loss a lot closer. So like here, look at that. That is like this maroon line, the yellow, the blue, and the black, all just converging. That is a beautiful, beautiful change of direction. Okay. But the change of direction started here, but then the blue and the yellow line was not there. So, and that's what happened. When does this end though? So this was usually my trouble is I get in way early. So I'm sorry I got distracted. But so 45 minutes it's like setting in. Okay. So I would take profit like right. I would keep my profit right there. Just to be on the safe side. In this one, okay. So in 10 minutes it's crossed, right? It is just there. It's just waiting for the rest of the time frame to catch up. 15 minutes, it is getting there. 18 minutes, it's there. This is cross, trend change. It's confirming that the trend is changing. In 30 minutes, it's not there yet. Okay. So I am going to get out of this one and I'm going to try to log in. And to this one. We shall see. Okay, and then 1 hour. Okay, it's just getting there, so it'll be probably next 2 hours it'll change. Maybe. I love 2 hours. When this black gets under a candle or the candle is crossing the black, I absolutely love it. I love it because it's great. Um, so mm, what's coming? Oh, 10 minutes. So let's see what's going on with 10 minutes. No, I like this one. 10 minutes. Where's the 4 EMA? You just touched it. Okay. 34 EMA. I should have done the stop loss there. Crap, I did not see it. Eesh. Let's see. I should have done stop loss. Close the stop loss. Oh, that was bad. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I didn't do that. I cannot believe I did not do that. Okay, I should have moved my stop loss up, but I did not because it was coming to meet the 34 EMA. That's okay. I am just gonna have to wait. I'm not liking this though because I should have left my stop loss properly. I'm not liking it. Man, oh man. I can't believe I didn't move my stop loss. I cannot believe that. Okay, my stop loss got kicked in. That is not good. Yeah, my stop loss got, both of them got kicked in. That is terrible. I should be getting out of this because it is changing, but I'm not sure if it is. It's going to be taking a while, but it is going to hit my stop loss, and I don't want it. So I'm just going to go 45 minutes. It's not big. It's got 11 minutes. I'll wait for 11 minutes. I'm going to buy 10 more here and bring it. Bye. I don't know. Did he call the lady? She's over there at the table. You see him? Do you see Ruth under the table? He's under the table. You don't see his balls. told you it's gonna change. There you go. There you go. Oh, I got stopped out. But in the other account, I'm still in the red. In this account, I got stopped out. So, yeah, you see that here? Trade of change. Yeah, that's what happened. So, it's going to take a while. It's going to zigzag until it completely forms a thing. But over here, if you see the 18-minute, like, I'm not too sure. But I'm just waiting for this to curve. So, but the only thing is, this paper trading, I do have account, the real trading one, I got stopped out. So that is not a good thing though. So allow 45 minutes. So I am going to see, just going to do one. I'm just getting one in my wealth chart because that's an account that I want to keep. My take profit would be there. So 1 hour is coming, which means 4 EMA is right here, so it shouldn't be that hard. It's going to be after 2 p.m. if it's going to go off. I think things happening. As I said, this gauge is in a range. This is the range we're in. So we are. This is from last night, 6 p.m. to now. So we are waiting to see if we can turn around. So Nana felt off, like you're not there. She's just like, they're not there. Like it's nice having them there. Like I know, like it's like a comfort to her. Like
I'm glad I'm
both
glad
are there. So she's like, they're not there. Like you see there. I'm like, I don't know. Maybe he's
He
staying.
was there cooking last night. He texted me a picture.
Okay, so let Nana know that he was there. 'Cause she was like, I don't know. I'm all by myself.
I'm glad she really likes it.
Yeah, just stop by her and say hi to her and let her know that no one was here. Just car was not there.